Are you thinking about getting a puppy or a dog, but you have young children or a baby on the way?
The Kids Post.
Puppies. Who doesn't love them? Welcoming a new member of the four-legged kind to the family is just as important as a new baby. We're lucky today because we have Dr. Lisa from Bondi Vet and Dr. Lisa to the rescue with us. Hi, Dr. Lisa.
Hello.
It seems that the first question families ask if they've got young children or expecting a baby is, what dog should I get?
Well, the answer is there's no right answer. Every dog is going to be suited to a different family. We have to think of the dogs as individuals. So within one breed, you might have one dog that has a better temperament than another. So I always recommend that you never choose a specific breed. You focus on the dog as an individual, your family, your lifestyle, and what you can offer that dog.
Is there an ideal age children should be before we get a dog, or is it when we're pregnant with our first child?
That's a definite no. I never recommend to get a dog when you're thinking of having a baby or when you're pregnant, because a dog takes up a lot of time. A dog is a big commitment and they deserve our undivided attention. So either get your dog a few years before you have your kids or a few years after, when you've got that time that you can give that dog, because we don't want the dog to be the one that suffers.
If we do have kids already, what would be an ideal age to introduce a puppy to the family?
If you've got young kids, I would say anything over the age of 3. You want your child in daycare. You want some time that you can give to the dog. You also want your children to be old enough that they can engage with the dog and interact, where you don't have to be as worried about, say, a young toddler walking around. It's much easier when the kids are older, that's for sure. But having said that, it depends on how much time you've got available and what you can give that dog. Most dogs are going to be around for 12, even to 15 years of your life. It's a big commitment, it's a big expense. Little puppies can grow into big dogs as well, so you need to work out the whole picture rather than just focusing on the fact that you've got a cute puppy at that time.
Where do you recommend young families go to purchase a puppy? And you know, I'm a working mum, maybe for me it's better to get an adult dog.
Well, that's the thing. You always need to consider your lifestyle and your personal situation, and sometimes a puppy is not the best thing for you and your family. Puppies take a lot of hard work. There's toilet training, there's puppy training, there's lots of accidents in the house. If you've got young kids, that's like having another child around. So sometimes an older dog, even a young adult that's more mature, that's gone through that hard puppy phase, is a lot easier. I'm strongly against getting puppies from pet shops and puppy farms. So as a nation, we really need to do whatever we can to try and reduce this horrible industry. So getting puppies or dogs from shelters like the Animal Welfare League is a wonderful way to give back to the dog world and help those dogs in need. The other option is to go to responsible breeders, meet the parents of the dogs, make sure that you're getting a dog from the right place where there is no animal cruelty.
What are some things parents should be aware of if they are bringing that new puppy home?
You need to think of the new puppy as another child, another member of your family. There are going to be some teething issues. There's going to be some adjustment issues for the dog and for your family. It's a lot of hard work. You need to make sure that you teach the kids how to behave around the dog, because often the problem comes from our children not knowing how to responsibly interact with an animal.
Dr. Lisa has written this great book called My First Puppy, which is a fantastic read for the whole family, and the kids will love it. It's available now in all good bookshops and online at Booktopia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great episodes. See you next time.
We're going to be demonstrating baby wrapping, or what's sometimes referred to as swaddling.